Welcome to Crafts with Heather B.
Hi, thanks for joining me today. I hope everybody's having a blessed Easter. Today we're going to be making a wall hang using one of these garden signs, a plate charger, some stickers, and some flowers I got at Dollar General. Everything else is from Dollar Tree. I'd say you could make this easily for under $10. So to get started, what we're going to do, we're going to take our plate charger, and I want to put a few of these hummingbirds, because there's one on the sign, behind it, because there's the openings, to kind of decorate the background. And these are also from Dollar Tree. Let's see. Put one there and one over there. I like this one. Kind of facing a different direction. And then let's add this one. I think this one will look good over here. What do you guys think? I placed them like that. And you can put them however you wish. It's just going to be in the background behind it, so it don't look so plain. Then we're going to take our metal sign. Make sure that it got a little metal hanger on it. I'm going to try to snap it off. I don't know. Pops off easy. It didn't do much. And we could cover that up with a flower, because we're going to put flowers over this. Kind of get an idea on where you want to place it at. And then get our handy dandy glue gun. And I'm going to make a couple big piles. There. And here. And then we'll glue around the outside of it. I hope everybody's having a good week. Well, weekend, I guess I should say. Well, that didn't cooperate. I don't like how that looks at all, so we're going to change it. It was running under the ring, and I didn't like that. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, that one's set up. That one sort of has. Okay, so we're going to, let's see. I think what we're going to have to do, get it where we want it. Put a thick bead along the edge. Yeah, that's going to work better, folks. I think that's going to work. And all I'm going to do is dragging the tip along the edge, so it's forcing it under it a little bit. And clean up our little bit of extra there. And so far, that's what we have. Now we're going to take, I think, these flowers. And these was $3 at Dollar General. And all we're going to do, we're going to pull them off of the like this first, I guess. Okay, they're actually formed onto the plastic there. So what you would have to do if you have these same ones, just give them a little nip at the end. I'm just going to go through and go ahead and cut them all off. And if anybody's interested in donating to my cause that I do this channel for, all the information's in the description on every video I do. And by all means, you're not obligated to donate. It would be greatly appreciated, though. Okay, lost the middle of one of them. Which is fine, because all we gotta do, put a little glue on the end, and stick it back through the hole. And now she's good as new. She just don't want to let go. Okay, now let's kind of rough place them so we can see what we're doing with. And some of them you might have to trim a little bit more, but we'll do that as we go. How's that sound to you guys? And I did leave a little bit more room at the top than I did the bottom. I did that on purpose, that way we got room to hang it. I think something like that will work. How's that look? Yeah, I think I'm going to have to nip that down a little bit farther. Put a blob of glue on the end and just kind of glue it in. I did mine at an angle. What do you guys think so far? If there's anything you guys would like me to attempt to make, leave a comment. I'll try. And anything I make on the channel can be purchased. Just send me an email and it's in my bio on the channel. I'm loving it. How about you guys? We got flying labels. Sorry for that bark from Tucker. Ricky was coming in the back door, so he thought he would be Mr. Macho. Just 3 more to go. So if you do this project with these flowers, make sure you cut them pretty short so you don't have to go back and redo them like I am. One more. A little. And then I'm thinking, let's try not to break another pair of scissors like we did on the last video. Let's see. First we'll have to cut that off because that's from our flowers. I'm just going to use 2 of these, I think. Don't want to overdo it, but I think 1 here. Maybe 1. Oh no, I kind of like it without. What do you guys think, with or without? Kind of like it without. I think we're going to leave it without. And then the string that came off the flowers, we're going to ow. So right here's the middle. So let's put I'm just kind of coiling it up on itself, so it has a good adhesion. And sometimes if you got to push down on hot glue to get something to stick, use another glue stick instead of your finger. And then you don't get the strings everywhere. Just a little tip. I'm not going to lift it by that yet because it's not dry. But there we have it. What do y'all think? Leave me a comment, like, and if you're new to my channel, welcome, and please subscribe. And I hope to see you next time. Have a blessed day. And thank you.